In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify name. Imagine you've started your Shopify store with a name you thought was perfect. But as your business grows and evolves, you decide that your store's name no longer fits your brand. Don't worry, changing your store's name on Shopify is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To kick things off, let's navigate to Shopify's main page. This is where you'll start your journey to rebrand your store. The URL is quite straightforward. Just type shopify.com into your browser and you're on your way. Once you arrive at the Shopify homepage, you'll find the login option in the upper right corner or somewhere prominently displayed. Shopify's design is quite user-friendly, so it should catch your eye easily. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This action will take you closer to personalizing your online store. Next, you'll need to type in your email address, the one you used to register your Shopify store. This is an important step because Shopify uses your email to identify your specific account among the millions of stores hosted on its platform. After entering your email, look for the option that says Continue with Email. It's a straightforward button that will redirect you to the password entry page. Here, accuracy is key, so make sure you type your password correctly to avoid any unnecessary login troubles. Now, if you've opted to use Google to sign into Shopify, you'll be presented with the option to choose an account. Select the Google account associated with your Shopify store. This is especially convenient for those who appreciate the simplicity of using Google's single sign-on feature. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from managing your products to analyzing sales data. But we're here for one thing today: changing your store's name. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually found at the bottom left of the Shopify admin dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled General. This is where Shopify stores all your basic store information, including the name of your store. After clicking on General, you'll see various fields such as store name, email, and so on. Find the store name field. This is what you're here to change. Click inside the text box and you'll be able to edit your store's name to whatever new exciting name you've chosen for your brand. Once you've typed in your new store name, there's just one more step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the top right or bottom right of the screen. Click it and voila, your Shopify store has a new name. But before we wrap up, a few quick tips. First, make sure your new store name aligns with your brand and is something you feel confident will resonate with your target audience. Also, consider checking the availability of the corresponding domain name if you plan to change it to match your new store name. Consistency across your brand name and domain name can significantly enhance your brand's recognition and professionalism. Changing your Shopify store's name is a big step in your journey as an entrepreneur. It reflects your business's evolution and its adapting identity. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Shopify store accurately represents your brand today and into the future. And remember, Shopify has a wealth of resources and a supportive community to help along the way. So don't hesitate to explore and make the most of what Shopify has to offer, whether it's a minor tweak like changing your store's name or more significant adjustments to scale your business. Shopify is designed to support your entrepreneurial journey at every stage. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process of changing your Shopify store's name as straightforward as possible. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help grow your online business.